Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper teddy bear just like this one. This is a very cute model, great for gifting, and it's not that hard to make. You'll need 2 square sheets of paper for the teddy bear and 1 square of the same size for the heart. Let's start with the head. With the collar of the bear facing down, our first step is to fold it in half diagonally. Once that's done, rotate the paper to this position and fold both corners down. After that, fold part of the top corner down, about this much. Then, starting on the right side, bring this flap to the triangle we just folded. Do the same on the left side. Next, fold the bottom corner up to this point here. Fold these side corners. To make the next detail easier, flip the paper over and fold these 2 top corners roughly along these lines here. To improve the detail, fold the top corners. We have the teddy bear's head. To make the body, we also start with the teddy bear's collars facing down, and this time fold it in half along both diagonals, creating an X. So, just bring one corner to the other, unfold it, and repeat with the other diagonal. Once we have the X, flip the paper over and fold all 4 corners to the middle. Unfold it, flip it over again, and fold it in half vertically. Unfold it. Then fold the right and left sides to the middle. Unfold this part as well. Now rotate the paper and fold it in half again, now in this position. Unfold it, and just like before, fold both sides to the middle. This time, instead of unfolding, open the top section, bring this part down, closing the paper like this, with a corner on each side. Then do the same with the bottom section. So just open the paper, and close it like this. Fold the corners of the bottom section back. Next, fold the first layer of the top up, leaving both corners open like this. Now, starting on the right side, bring down the corner, aligning with the bottom edge. Reinforce this part. Then do the same on the other side. Now fold the extra paper on each side. With that done, turn it over. Now let's add details to the teddy bear. We can start by folding these two corners. Then at the bottom half, we separate the right side, open this corner, and flatten it like this, aligning the center line with the edge. Do the same on the left side. Now fold these corners to add more realistic detail. we have the body. To make the heart, first fold the paper in half. Then fold it in half horizontally. Unfold. Now fold the bottom edge to the middle. Flip it over. And fold each bottom half to the middle, creating these diagonal folds. Go back to the other side. Fold the right and left sides to the middle. Next, fold the diagonals at the top. And now pay close attention to the next step. We have this space, this pocket down here. We need to tuck the top corner inside it. To do that, carefully bring the paper down without folding it. Tuck the tip in and push the paper as far as you will go. Now for the final detail of the heart, open the top right layer and flatten it into a triangle. Then do the same on the other side. Fold these other two corners as well. And also the top corners to give a better finish. And we have our origami heart. For the final step, let's put the teddy bear together. First, we need to insert the head of the teddy bear into this space at the top of the body. Then go to the other side and fold this corner of the head down. Now separate the pieces, unfold the last step, and divide this section in half. Now reassemble the pieces, but this time tuck the body into the space we left. Turn it to the other side and fold the extra paper in the corner under this middle layer of the body. Depending on the type of paper and how you fold it, this step alone might be enough to hold the pieces together, so you don't need to use tape or glue. But if you think glue or tape are needed, that's totally fine. Next, let's make the teddy bear hug the heart. And for the final detail, flip the paper over and fold a bit of the bottom part. I'll fold just enough to see the tip of the heart. Now we can go to the other side and we have our origami done. It already looks great like this, but you can still draw some details if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.